girl Miss Zukie and welcome back to my channel. So today is How To Wednesday and I'm going to be starting out with the video on how to color in a Zukie. So if you did get my coloring book, which is this guy right here, I'm going to show you how I would color in a Zukie. A little tutorial on how to color in a Zukie, because I know I did a tutorial on how to draw a Zukie. So let's go to the next step and show you how to draw one. So but before I start the video, I wanted to show you guys this new t-shirt that I got. It's a crop top. I don't know if you guys are a Naruto fan, but I am. I'm also a Dragon Ball Z fan. So yeah, so comment down below if you guys like those two animes. Alright, so let's move on to the video. So like I was saying, this is my coloring book. I know a whole bunch of you guys did order it and I gladly appreciate it. You guys are so 110 amazing. You guys are so amazing for supporting me as an artist, as an independent artist. And yeah, so anyway, oh, this shit's upside down. So let me go through the book. I'm going to show you a couple of things here. My coloring book. So here is one of them I'm going to show you. So this is this one right here. So I use marker in this. So I use basically one shade and then I use like a darker shade to do the dark areas. So I actually imagine that the sun is over here. So all the light areas would be right here on this side and then the dark areas would be on this side. Same thing with the balloon. Same thing with the little heart patch right here. Okay, so on to the next one that I did, because I didn't fill up the whole thing yet. So the next one I did is in color pencil, but today I'm actually just going to show you how to draw, how to actually color in my character with a marker, nothing else. Maybe the next one would be color pencil, because it takes a long time. Not really a long time, but I mean like it takes a lot of like layering and layering. So here you go. This is in color pencil. Same thing, what I did was add the dark side, all the shadows to make the character pop. The next one is something definitely different. I have a tattoo actually on my rib of not the exact same one, but same with the stripes design. So this is another way I would color my character, is in this like cool little stripe design here. Same thing, I'll do I choose two different colors and I actually add a shadow behind it so it kind of pops out just a tad bit. The next one I did is my Shiba. Same thing like I usually do all the lights on the certain side where I think the sun is coming from and all the dark sides on the opposite side. So that's how I really do my traditional Zukie, guys. So nothing hard, it's super easy. So let's get to the video. Let's get on to how to color in a Zukie. So guys, I'm gonna start out with the lightest pink. For this one, these are my colors for this character. This whole shade's right here. Okay, so what I start out is I actually color the whole character with the lightest color. So let's get to that. Next one I'm going to do is the next color, a little darker, and that's what I'm going to go for right here. As you can see in my coloring book, I already like shaded a little bit of the sketch is kind of like already dark on certain spots, so you just want to follow that if you have my sketchbook. See? Like a shadow. A little bit of the belly button too. Now the next one I'm going to do is a tad bit darker. Yeah, it's kind of really dark. So let's get to this. And here, just a different color, you know, to make it look a little bit better. If you want to go a little bit darker, I think I might go with this one instead. Yeah, I think I'm going to switch it up, because I think this is kind of like not really the same color. And if you have your colorless blender, I would recommend using that to blend with whatever you have here. And go back with the other marker. I'm gonna use like a darker red for the mouth. Now for the cheeks, I'm gonna use that color that I was starting to use. I think this will look really cute here. And that is that. Now we're gonna start with this one, and I wanted to show you this one. This one's gonna be the greens. So we're gonna start light first, like how we always do. So we're actually gonna do the stripes. So what I do is I do one color, then the other one, then the other, like a pattern. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's get to that. So now that we are finished with the light colors, we're gonna go in with the darker colors for the shading. So let's get to that. Now I'm gonna just show you really quick before I speed it up. I'm going to show you what I mean by the dark, where I'm gonna put the dark. So you see this whole side right here, like you see how this side is gonna be like this, but this side is gonna be in this color. So a darker, because we gotta show that, you know, he has some shadow. So we're gonna go to each color like this, and then like that. So I'm gonna fill in this part. So for this part, like this. Do you guys understand what I'm doing here? I'm gonna go do all the yellows. Now before I end the piece, I like to do a little highlight. So I actually use my jelly roll in Oe and Sakura. And I go in here and I go and highlight all like the lighted sides. So here you go for that one. I even go in the dark side, I guess, just to add some dimension. You know, you like a little glare. You know, make it look cute. And that's it, guys. We are done. What do you guys think? This is how you color in a Zukie. Hope you guys like this video. I hope this actually shows you how to color in a Zukie. So if you do own the coloring book, this definitely gonna help you out. Now if you do sketch Zukies on the daily and you want to know how to color them in, this surely will help you out. You know, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to comment down below and let me know if you guys like Naruto or Dragon Ball Z or both. Let me know. You guys, those are like the two most favorite animes that I'm not currently watching. I've been watching for a while. I already finished Super, but as for Naruto, I'm at Boruto. I finished Naruto. I'm at Boruto right now. But there's other animes that I watch. I like to watch a lot of romantic, like romance anime, vampire anime. Yeah. Anyway, that's a little bit of info on me. So don't forget to also follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Zukie_art right here down below. And don't forget, if you do not have the coloring book and want to get the coloring book, guys, don't forget to go buy it from me. You can also buy it at Barnes & Nobles and Amazon, but you will not get the extra cool things that come with the book, which is my signature and a sketch, an actual original sketch in the book. So you don't want to miss that out, would you? You know, get a kind of like a little original piece by me. Also, really quick, on Saturday, I'm gonna be actually heading out to Brooklyn to actually go paint in the streets. So if you guys live in New York and live by Brooklyn, stop by. Actually, I'm gonna be posting the address in my social media so you guys can come check us out. It's gonna be a couple of artists out there, so bring your black book. Maybe I'll sketch something in there, take a picture with you. I don't care. Or just say hi, and yeah, that's it. This is your girl Mizuki, and I am out.